Welcome to my podcast room, Man Cave. It's Saturday morning. I'm about to record a guest, and this is where things happen. Some of you guys may be here just looking at our cooking videos and know nothing about our podcast. So I do have another channel, the Jeff Mara Podcast. I want to let you guys know that I'm going to be answering questions. So leave us some questions in the comment section below and we'll answer them. I do have an entire video of this room, and I don't know if you've watched it or not, but if you haven't, I can show you around a little bit. Here's my setup. I have two computers here. The one back here is for Zoom, and then this one is for me typing notes while I'm interviewing the guests. And then this is a module that I used when I was doing the live show, but I still use it. I hooked the microphone through it. I have these shelves above me, and most of the things on these shelves, including the books, are gifts from either the guests or the audience. You can see our YouTube awards, and these are from different channels. That's my feather collection that may be from my guide. Over here is my poster, like the one you see in the X-Files TV show. And over here is Jackson, our resident alien. See, I rolled up the green screen, there's a big window there. In today's cooking video, you're going to see us make some beef fajita tacos. So it's another taco video, and fajita tacos are very popular here in Texas. It's nice to have these fire protection gloves, because as you can see, this is crazy hot. I like to feel the heat coming through my glove. It's like working with lava.
Yeah. Nice, looks beautiful.
Yeah. We haven't done it at night in a long time, so we didn't get to see the beauty. That is hot. So with these sticks, I've got to build a platform, basically. A cooking platform. Since we're not doing shish kebab, I'm not going to put fajita strips through this stick, so we're going to make a platform. Then I'm gonna put a tray over it.
How is everything?
It's going great.
Yeah.
We got the beef, now we got the bell peppers and the onions. So
It smells good.
it should be amazing.
Smells good.
You can really smell the beer cooking on.
Yeah. But this is not Mexican style, is it?
Yeah,
They do with beer?
I think so. Some of them do.
Oh, okay. Wait here. I will go home.
Okay.
Okay, have fun.
Make tortillas.
Yeah, I will make tortillas. I hope it won't rain until you finish.
I think we'll be set.
Yeah. Mika. Hi, Mika. Are you playing with your pinky? Are you playing with your pinky? Where is your pinky? Can you give me your pinky? Huh, Mika? Can you give Mama your pinky? Can you give me your pinky, Nicholas? I love you. I love you. Give it to me. I love you. I love you. I love you. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye.
It's almost ready. And the problem is it's so dark, it's hard for me to see. Can you turn on your flashlight?
Oh, okay.
Turn your recording, turn on your flashlight.
Yeah.
Let's see. It's good, dude. Nice and thick and delicious. It's amazing.
Good. Ready to go? Ready to go? Ready to go? Because say hi. Say hi, everyone. Say hi. Hi, 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 hi. Let's go to daddy. Let's go to daddy. Mika. Mika is going to daddy. Mika is going to daddy.
Mika, you're nice and clean. And you smell good too. Are you happy?
Good girl, good girl. She did
Are you
good.
happy to be
She
clean?
did very good.
She doesn't shake anymore.
She got used to. Don't have to say that, Nicholas. Say
But she is shaking a little bit.
bye bye. Yeah, she always does.